Hey guys, Ollie here from Local Knowledge. Today I'm going to show you a little knot that's super easy to tie. It's one you probably already know how to tie, but you probably didn't know how strong it is in heavy leader. I use this knot a lot when I'm either in a hurry or I'm somewhere and I don't have any crimps. You can attach your flat fall jig with it, you can attach a bait hook with it, swivel, any number of things. And it's really fast and it is really, really strong. The knot is a very simple clinch knot. If you know how a clinch knot works, I'm gonna take out my hook here. It is the dumbest, easiest knot. We're gonna feed this through. You're gonna make twists. 1, 2, you see this is 200-pound leader that I'm gonna tie this in, so it is very springy. And I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna go through the loop I created. That is literally it. 3 turns, go back through the loop you created. I'm gonna wet this line. I'm gonna put on my little anchor here. I'm gonna get a good grip here because with this heavy leader, it does take some pressure to cinch it down. I'm gonna bring it tight and I can pull on this thing. I mean, that right there, I'm straightening that light wire hook. That's probably 40, 50 pounds of pressure. I'm pulling the table over. That's it. Super simple, super clean. Trim off your tag end. We have fought big tuna. I'm talking 300-pound yellowfin with that knot for hours and hours and hours without it giving up. Now, anything under about 130 pound, I'm gonna wanna put 4 or 5 turns, even 7 turns in light line. But I wanna put as many turns as I can get in there and still get it to cinch down clean. So say for 130 pound, I'll probably twist it 4 or 5 times. 200 pound, it's gonna be 3. I'm never going below 3. So if you can get 3 twists out of that simple, stupid knot, pull on it as hard as you want and it just will not give up. Super easy trick to keep in your back pocket, your mental tackle box. It works really, really well when fishing heavy leader for whatever application, and it's something you definitely should know. If you enjoy this tip, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave us a comment. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you'd like to see next from us. We really appreciate you watching, and the feedback from you is how we shape these future videos. Thanks so much.